Hi, this is Bilal from Speckle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Manager for Speckle on a Mac device. Let's get started. We'll start by downloading the installer from Speckle's website, speckle.systems. Within this page, there will be a download button in the top right corner. Simply click on that, and from this page, download the installer for Mac. If you're using a Windows device, click on this button. We have a separate video. There will be a pop-up in the top right corner of this video. Go there, watch the video, and complete the installation steps. Okay, here is the installer downloaded. Let's double click on that, which will open this dialog, and simply drag and drop Manager into the Applications folder. Just like that, you have Manager installed now. Let's search for it. Manager for Speckle right here. So I'll click on it to open it and click on Open. And here is Manager. So it'll take you to the accounts page automatically. If you don't have any account registered, simply click on this button. And if you have an account on speckle.xyz, which is our free server, you don't need to do anything else. Simply click on Go. If you have an account on another server, right, your own custom account, etc., then you need to type in the address into this text box. In this case, I'm not going to do that, and simply click on Go, which will authenticate in the background since I already have my Speckle account open in my browser. And here it is. Now my account is associated with my manager. So I can download and install the Mac connectors, the connectors available for Mac, and start sending and receiving geometry from my Mac into the Speckle. So this was it. If you faced any issues, let us know at speckle.community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.